Alrighty, here we go. Browns fan Joe. 4 boxes of Playbook football. Good luck, sir. Fresh case just came in. Hate these putting a sticker like that on a spot like that, but whatever. Alright, there's one. Here's your thin one. Alright. Here we go. Box 1. Mohamed Sanu, Mammoth jersey, numbered to 75. Sanu Mammoth to 75. That is definitely a large swatch. Uh-oh. Rookie booklet silver redemption. Not too shabby. Nick Foles. Philadelphia Eagle. Rookie booklet silver. What do you know where the silvers are numbered, Joe? That means you'll get 2 books out of this one. 49. There you go. Next, Vinny Curry. Rookie autograph, numbered to 140. The Eagles again. And let's see what we got going. Oh, you're going to be happy. You're welcome. Number to 199, Rookie Playbook, Roll Tide, Trent Richardson. He is happy. He's a Trent Richardson massive collector. So that's straight PC for him. Roll Tide, Trent Richardson. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's awesome. That is awesome. Hey, what's going on, B. Catowicz? Man, these are a pain, I'll tell you what. Is there any trick, Joe? Because I feel like I'm going to bend the cards just trying to get these packs out of the holes. Man. Like, they're secure in there, which is good, but man, they're a pain in the freaking butt to get out. Especially on the thin cards, you feel like you're going to bend it. Alright. What the heck? You're getting all the Eagles, man. Mammoth jersey, number to 75, Nick Foles. Yeah, you fix it to where now you gotta have a freaking key to get them out. Ah. Accolades autograph, number to 49, Chris Cooley. Accolades autograph, number to 49. Emnum 200. Yeah, that was a really good looking card. I saw Redskins for a second, so it kind of tripped me. Number to 140. Oh, man. Najee Goody? I'm going to say Goody because it sounds funny. Rookie auto for the Bucks. Hey, you got his 101 on yours. Devier Posey. Combine. Rookie book auto on card, and that's number... No number on those? Oh, there it is, 99. Number to 99, Devier Posey. Rookie Playbook. So, nice looking stuff. It's my kind of product, meat and potatoes. I don't need all the base cards and just numbered inserts and stuff. Just give me the good stuff. Well, there's a book, and there's a book. Yeah, it looks really good. It's clean. There's a little bit of like chipping issues on the books, but I mean, pretty much every book that's ever been produced has chipping issues for whatever reason. But other than that, pretty solid. Number to 140, Melvin Ingram, rookie auto. Melvin Ingram. Eminem, yes I do, sir. Rookie gold, number to 49, of Chris Polk. Chris Polk, rookie gold. Here's 2 books. This one's fatty. It just feels heavy. I don't know, compared to the other ones. Here's a good one. Number to 199, rookie playbook. Russell Wilson, Bunyan. Russell Wilson, rookie playbook. And I'm guessing it's going to be an auto rookie playbook. Numbered to 99, Red Zone, Michael Agnew. You got egged. That's right. There are patch variations of the books. Feels like a book. This looks like a book. Alright, box 4. Good luck, Joe. Number to 140, B.J. Cunningham. Rookie auto. A lot of Eagles stuff. Nice. Number to 49, rookie auto gold, Kirk Cousins. Kirk Cousins, number to 49. Playbook time. Ooh, here's a prime one. I'll save it. It says prime on it at least. I'll do that one second. And number to 99, Michael Agnew. No joke. You got egged again. And this one's going to be prime. Number 10 of 25. Playbook gold. Well, that's nice. That's patches. Justin Blackman. Fiesta. That's really nice looking. So, Joe?